Hello friend, I am going to share with you the Write Byte 1, chapter number 3, output devices. First of all, we have fill in the blanks. Number 1, dot matrix and daisy wheels are character printers. Number 2, a fax machine is used to send and receive messages over telephone lines. Number 3, large maps are printed with a plotter. 4, a monitor are produced output in soft copy form. Last one is information is displayed on a monitor screen as tiny dots are called pixels. Next question is state whether the following statements are true or false. Rewrite the whole statement to make them true. First one is LCD monitor please less strains on eye than CRT monitor. That is true. High resolution images are clearer than the low resolution images. This is also true. Number 3 is laser printers are called line printer. No, laser printer are called page printers. Number 4, dot matrix printer produce output by spraying ink on paper. No, dot matrix printers produce output by print head carrying a series of pins. The last one is computer can produce sound similar to human voice. That is also true. Next is select the correct option for each question. First one is CRT and LCD are the type of monitors. Which of these can use to read a ebook, that is tablet? What is output produced by printer is called hard copy. Number 4, which of these produce output fastest? Laser printer. Which output device is used to play music to an audience is speakers. Next is a microcomputer is advertised as having the following: 32 GHz processor, 512 RAM, 80 GB hard drive, 12-inch monitor, inkjet printer. What output are mentioned in the advertisement? A monitor and a printer are mentioned in this advertisement. Next question is explain the advantages of LCD monitor over CRT monitor. LCD monitors are flat while CRT monitors are curved. A flat surface of LCD monitor make it easy to view output. LCD monitors are lighter than CRT monitors. They do not flicker, which reduce the strain on the user's eye. Next is what are pixels? Explain screen resolution. Pixels are picture elements. A computer screen can be divided into numerous small dots called pixels. These pixels make up an image on the screen. Screen resolution measures the amount of detail in which an image appears on the pixel. A screen that has a greater number of pixels can display an image in greater detail. Next question is what is a fax machine? How does it work? A fax machine is a device that combines input and output devices. We can use it to send and receive messages over telephone lines. A fax or modem board connect to the computer with telephone lines. The user inserts a document in the fax machine and dials the number of the recipient. The fax machine scans the document and sends a copy of it over telephone line to another fax machine at the receiving end. The receiving fax machine prints the copy or display it on the monitor. Next is why are dot matrix printers not used nowadays? Dot matrix printers are not used nowadays because they are slower, noisy, produce low quality output. Next question is write a paragraph to answer the following question. Explain the ways in which display screen found in smartphones are different from CRT monitor. Display screens found in smartphones are usually made of plastic or glass, while CRT display screens are made of glass. The smartphone screens are LCD screens and have a flat surface, whereas CRT screens have the curved surface. Smartphone screens do not produce glare or give a better view than CRT screens. Question number 2. State 2 advantage of internet telephony. Explain how it helped to improve communication between people. Internet telephony has two main advantages. It reduces the cost of communication. It allows people to see each other. It improves communication because people can get in touch directly without going through the telephone company. People can communicate more often because it costs very little. People can see one another and use expression and gesture to communicate.